Guys, alam nyo ba na ang meaning ng WRX ay World Rally Experimental? Ibig sabihin tong kotse na to, built talaga siya for rally and at the same time street legal dito sa Pilipinas. And performance sports car to. Pogi na, matulin pa at syempre sobrang head turner. I got you ulit. So this is my personal car, 2019 Subaru WRX Turbo Eyesight 2.0 all-wheel drive. Exterior-wise, napakagandang World Rally blue paint, auto-retractable side mirrors, may WRX badge, 18 inches alloy wheels, mga kapalang tires. At dito naman sa harap, LED day running light, projector headlight, fog lamps at functional hood scoop para sa intercooler turbo at 8 ang ending. At pagdating naman sa engine, it's a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine at turbocharged to with CVT transmission at all-wheel drive na rin siya. Itong makina neto, never kong pinabuksan, never kong pinatune. So in short, virgin pa siya. At meron siyang 268 horsepower. Pero yung feeling niya, pag dinadrive mo siya, nasa around 300 kasi may power talaga. At meron na rin akong mga ilang upgrades. Naka-CRL quad tip exhaust, naka-carbon rear spot, naka-carbon side skirt, at naka-carbon chin. At sa pinakalikod, naka-LED taillight, factory wing, symmetrical all-wheel drive, rear camera at sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space at foldable yung second row seat. At dito sa loob, napakagandang black headliner, fresh leather seat at may red stitch dito. Powered na rin yan. Leather wrap na steering wheel, may red stitch din dito. May paddle shifter, may mga controls dito at may adaptive cruise control. Analog and digital display with 42,000 kilometers on the clock only. Well-designed na dashboard, may center display na pwedeng maging front camera. Touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Automatic climate control, automatic transmission, iPhone 17, center console at may carbon na rin dito. At hindi naman porket pag sinabing performance sports car ay hindi na reliable. Dito, maluwag ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, 6 patangit ko at meron siyang armrest with 2 built-in cup holders. At since personal car ko to, alam ko yung history niya at alam ko yung drive niya. Ang masasabi ko lang, napakatulin, napaka-reliable at syempre, matibay to. Syempre, Subaru, JDM number 1. Kaya kung gusto nyo to, for only 1,395,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. Kaya tumawag ka na, babay na. Peace out.